What is this for?
Do you think a customer will be happy with you?
It's like freestyle, and like freebies. Few bags. They'll be happy. Free stuff, you know, a lot of free stuff. Oh, how do you do this now? Done. Yay!
Okay, so clearly he does not belong to this department. Hi everybody. If you guys don't know, my name is Izzy. I'm part of the visual communications team in Beyond the Vines. In this episode today, we are going to go through what goes on behind the operations team. Is that right? Yeah, come on over here. So these are the things that we're going to buy. The XS dumpling, the color block micro dumpling, cotton cocoon trouser, carnival bag, and a boxy polo tee. So we're going to get 3 sets of these and 3 guys from different departments to, just give it a go at packing. Great, we're done with the first order. Now I got to order 2 more times. Never bad. Okay, so we've already made the 3 orders and we're gonna wait till tomorrow. So we're gonna head down to the inventory facility. Maybe we're gonna talk to some of the people there and see how they pack. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Right now we are in the inventory facility. This is where all the operations team would actually pack all the orders. These are the orders that we got. Remember that day? Yesterday? This is Janice and show us how to pack one of the orders.
So this is what Izzy ordered. A micro dumpling, XS dumpling, carnival bag, boxy polo tee, and cotton cargo trouser. Because the cotton cargo trouser is of a darker shade, we want to prevent color transfer. So we'll be using the tissue paper to pack the ivory boxy polo. So this sticker prevent the tissue paper from opening up. So we'll be putting the items in the sleeve. And we need to pick the correct carton box. So the logo on the sleeves should always face us, as well as the wordings over here on the box. A card for our customers.
And now we're gonna time Janice and how fast she packs. In 3, 2, 1, and go! You better win this, later any of them gets a faster timing than you, right?
I'll try my best.
You're gonna lose your job, you know. Alright, so the time is 1 minute 10 seconds. Okay guys, this is Jen. Which department are you from?
Marketing, PR.
And she's really good at that. Basically, I've already briefed Jen on what she's gonna do. These are the sleeves, the box tape, the delivery sticker thing. The boxes are there. So basically, once you're done with the packing, you tape everything up with the delivery sticker and then you just put over to this. Okay? 2, 1, and go.
Honey, man? No, I don't think it.
Really?
I don't know. Oh my god. I think it's like this. And then there should. I think there's a second sleeve. Oh my god, no. Wait. Okay. Box. Here. Okay. This looks a bit big, ah. Okay, no, this too big. Card, sticker. Yeah, I think that's all. Yes, oh my god, it's perfect. And then, do I have to stick this? Done. And obviously, Janice will be the best. Okay, thanks.
Bye. I think she did quite well because I think she has experience in picking up parcels for influencers and stuff. Now I'm just really excited how the boys do. So we have the boys, we have Rich and Gabe. So they have no idea what they're gonna do. The sleeves are here, the boxes are here, tissue paper is there. Tissue paper boy.
Huh, wait, I don't know the procedure. Like, box in and done. Just take the box, put this in, then we are done, right?
Yeah.
I don't need to put all this, right?
Up to you how you're gonna put it in.
Let me Let me take a pic first.
You want clothing is this one.
Okay.
No cheating.
No cheating. Then I can just put everything in. What?
Do it based on your own interpretation. Up to you how many cards you want to put in. You ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, and go.
This. Boots. What? Huh? Tissue paper for what? Can just put like that, right? Let's just do this. Some free stuff.
Bro, are you sure? You be like that, bro.
Lola, what is this for?
Oh.
Why do you do that? It's crazy.
Do you think a customer will be happy with this?
It's like free stuff. And like freebies. This. Few bags. They'll be happy. Free stuff, you know, a lot of free stuff. But how do you do this, man? Done. Where does it go? Be funny. Yay!
Okay, so clearly he does not belong to this department at all. His time is about 2 minutes 47.
It's not all the speed.
It's about speed. It's about speed.
And now we have Gabe. I didn't exactly ask Rich
Hi.
what he does, but Gabe, what do you do?
The
We have Mike here.
oh yeah. I'm the design intern.
You ready?
Sure, why not?
Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and go.
Tissue. We gotta make it nice, you know what I'm saying? We gotta make it nice. It's like a present, right? Oh, this is terrible.
There are more tips here.
Very nice. Get a small box, you know. Oh wait, I need this. It's kind of cute. One. Hey, you also give free stuff. Boom. Let's go. Looking nice. Yeah. A little birthday card. This one. What else you give? This?
I put everything here.
Oh, did I just close it? Close it. Boom. Making it nicer. Boom. Oh, that's bad. Bad piece of stickers. Oh no.
Right.
Oh no.
3:36.
Hey. Felt like a minute, guys. Felt like a minute.
I think now you roughly know how the ops team actually work. Everything that was done in-house, right? They've already been trained, they didn't know how to pack. And obviously, like, different fabrics do matter, like whether it's color fastness and stuff, so they gotta like pack it properly. So obviously Rich and Gabe is not the right department at all. They can't be here at all. I guess that is it. It's quite a short video and I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.